Pleasant welcome to you all. Now I am going to tell you the characteristic of Audrey from As You Like It, written by William Shakespeare. Before we move into the characters of Audrey, we must know the story of this play, so only we can easily identify the characters. We all know that William Shakespeare is one of the widely recorded and greatest author in the English language and one of the eminent dramatists. Now we move into the story. It is a pastoral. So we move into the story. First, we see the characteristic of the story. Duke Senior, Duke Frederick, they are brothers, and Rosalind, Celia. Rosalind is the daughter of Duke Senior. Celia is the daughter of Duke Frederick. Sir Rolandry Boyce, Alonzo, Oliver, Jacques, they are the sons of Sir Rolandry Boyce. Touchstone, Audrey, Sylvius, BB. Sylvius is the one-side lover of BB. It is a pastoral setting story and kind of prose romance. Now the story is Duke Senior and Duke Frederick were brothers. Now Senior rules the country, but Frederick wanted to conquer that. Frederick was very cunning man. Because of his cunning plan, he exiled his brother Senior. Senior went to the forest of Arden with his beloved nobles. Then Rosalind and Celia were close friends. Rosalind is the daughter of Senior. Celia is the daughter of Frederick. They were in the palace. This is the one part of the story. Another part of the story is there was a man named Sir Orlando Boyce. He has three sons named Orlando, Oliver, Jacques. Here, the first son of the Oliver dominated the Orlando. He didn't give any good education, good freedom to Orlando, but Orlando wants to overcome and achieve more than him. Duke Frederick has recently deposed his brother Duke Senior as head of the court, but he allowed Senior's daughter Rosalind to remain, and she and Celia, the new Duke daughters, watch the wrestling competition. During the match, Rosalind falls in love with Orlando, who beat Charles. Rosalind gives Orlando a chain to wear. In turn, he is overcome with love. Shortly after, Orlando is warned of his brother's plot against him and seeks refuge in the forest of Arden. At the same time, and seemingly without cause, Duke Frederick punishes Rosalind. She decides to seek shelter in the forest of Arden with Celia. They both disguise themselves, Rosalind as the young man Ganymede and Celia as his shepherd sister Eliana. Touchstone, the court fool, also goes with them. In the forest of Arden, their weary cousin happened upon Sylvius, a love-sick shepherd. Sylvius was in the act of declaring his feeling for Phoebe. The scornful shepherdess Ganymede buys the learly to the property of an old shepherd who needs someone to manage his estate. Ganymede and Eleanor find verses addressed to Rosalind hung on the forest branches by Orlando. Ganymede finds Orlando and proposes to cure Orlando of his love. To do this, Orlando will woo Ganymede as if he were Rosalind. Orlando consults and visits Ganymede every day for his lesson. In the meantime, the shepherd Phoebe has fallen for Ganymede, while the shepherd Sylvia still pursues her. Furthermore, Touchstone, the court fool, has dazzled a courtly girl, Audrey, with his courtly manners. Audrey deserts her young suitor, William, for him. When Duke Frederick hears Orlando disappeared at the same time as Rosalind and Celia, he orders Oliver to the forest to seek his brother. In the forest, Orlando saves Oliver's life. Orlando saves Oliver's life from the snake and the lion, injuring his arm in the process. Oliver runs into Ganymede and Aliena in the forest and related this news. Rosalind is overcome with his feeling for Orlando. Celia, disguised as Aliena, and Oliver quickly fall in love with one another. Rosalind decides that it is the time to end her game with Orlando and devise a plan in which everyone will get married. As Ganymede, Rosalind promises Phoebe that they will marry Celia will marry Oliver, Touchstone will marry Adrien, and Orlando will marry Rosalind. She makes Phoebe promise that if they, for some reason, don't get married, Phoebe will marry Sylvia. On the day of wedding, and with the help of the hard human, Rosalind reappears in her female cloth. Duke Sr. gives her away to Orlando, while Phoebe accepts Sylvius. Orlando's other elder brother returned from college with the news that Celia's father, Duke Frederick, has left court to become a hermit. Thus, everyone is happy. The play ends with a joyful dance to celebrate the marriage. Now, we move into the characteristic of Audrey. She is a simply minded courtier who agrees to marry Touchstone. She is unlearned, honest, looks for honesty in others, does not consider herself good looking, and is virtuous. She is quite willing to marry Touchstone as it will allow her to rise in the world. Does not understand what the problem is having Mockstruck do so is. She does not know how to conduct herself in courtly company. Thank you.